Hey guys, good morning. So today I'm going to show you what I got for Christmas. I have 3 bags and one more item coming in the mail that is going to the house. Currently I am in Vegas. We came here for Christmas last Saturday and today is the Christmas day. And I want to unbox my gifts and I want to show you guys what I got. But before I start my unboxing, I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. So I'm going to start with the Dior piece because I have just one item from Dior. So this is the holiday bag. And these are just regular things. This is a card from Dior. They have put a, oh wow, this is a thick cardboard. You can see I can frame this. Yeah, that's the thickness, you can see. Yeah, it's a thick card. Yeah, in the back it says Dior and something else. And here is the item. You can see it's a necklace. So I got this item. I have the matching earrings for this necklace, so I decided to get the matching necklace, but it's not exactly the same. Let me show you. I got that earring as well. So this is the earring and here is the matching set. And this is not exactly the same item. You can see it has extra dangly crystal in there, but this has nothing. And here is the style code. I don't know if it is focusing because I can't really see without my glasses. This is how it looks. Next I'm going to do this one. This I got from Crystals. I got a necklace and a pair of earrings to match my older necklace. I'll start with this one because I wanted to show you the matching necklace for this. It's not exactly the same match, but it's kind of matchy. So, and I don't have any those buttons. I think they ran out of those, so just the ribbon. So I think here is the style code. I'm going to show you after I show you the item. It's like this. They're so pretty, guys. So these are the earrings with crystal and pearl in white metal, silver metal. Is it focusing or not? I can't really see without my glasses. So I got this pair because I wanted a matching set, earring set for my necklace. which is the classic pearl one. I was looking for all crystal in white metal, just like this, but they didn't have, so I had to get this. It's kind of matchy because it has pearl and it has crystals, so yeah, I just got this one because they didn't have anything like this. Do you see this? Yeah, they didn't have anything. I went to all the stores, but they didn't have this earring or a smaller size. Like it has two sizes, right? I can't really show you. Oh my god. Okay, so it has two sizes. You can see here is the bigger size, and here is the smaller size, right? But they didn't have any of these. I mean, not in a bigger size or not in a smaller size, so I had to go with this. Hopefully this will match, because yeah, like I said, it has pearl and crystal, so, and in white metal, so yeah, I decided to go with this one to match my necklace. Let me wear and show this to you guys. So this is how it looks, and let me show you this necklace as well. I think it will match. So here is the necklace. So you can see, I think it matches, right, with the necklace. What do you guys think? Here is the style code. And price. And this is a necklace, and for the necklace they didn't have the matching set, the earring set in the boutique, any of the boutique, so I had to order the earrings online. They are coming, they are on the way, so when we'll be home, I think they'll be home as well, so I don't know, I have to see the status, but yeah, I have already ordered the earrings. I'm going to unbox them at home, and I'll just include that in this video. Okay, so let's unbox this. Again, just the ribbon, no button or anything. Here is the necklace. It has leather and chain and some crystals as well. She didn't include the style tag. Maybe she gave me the display item because I don't see a style tag. Yeah, I don't see a style tag. Hopefully you can see. It's 1075 USD, and that's the name. Or the style, maybe, I don't know what is it called. I think style number. And did I tell you the price of the, I think I showed you guys, right, the tag? Yeah, so that's the necklace. And then I got another pair of earrings from Bellagio. That is my favorite one. Let me show you. Oh, it's a mess in here. What beautiful mess. So she gave me 3 samples. And another one. this one. And you can see there is no holiday packaging, just regular. And this is a pair of earrings, like I told you, and this is my favorite one. You can tell why, because let me show you. Here is the one, guys. This is from Cruise collection, which are a pair of lemons. You can see yellow is my favorite color, and these are lemons. So they had another pair in Bellagio, the similar one, and a dangly one as well. This is was dangling from the lemon. So these are the earrings. Don't look at the necklace, it's not matching, but you can just see the earrings. So pretty, right? Great for summer. I just love these. What do you guys think? Do you love it? Do you like it? I just love it. This is my favorite pair. I love color and I love yellow, and I just love it. Hey guys, so I received my package from Chanel. This is the earring, the matching earrings for the necklace that I ordered in Vegas. So this is how they shipped the item. You can see there is no extra packaging material, just the item, and I think that is the receipt. So yeah, let me take this out and I'll show you. So here is the item and the receipt. Let's try with one hand. Let me take this out from here. So here are the earrings. I think these are the same size as the necklace. Let me show you the necklace so that you can see the size difference between the earrings and the necklace. So yeah, let me open that and I'll come back. Okay guys, so this is the necklace and here are the earrings. You can see the size difference. They're exactly the same size. I don't know how to sew. Wait, let me take one out and put them here. There you go. So they are exactly the same size. I was thinking they will be smaller, but yeah, they are exactly the same size, and I don't know why it's not focusing. Yeah, so that concludes my haul from Vegas. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a like and please subscribe. Thanks for watching this video, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.